Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle a topic that I know a lot of you are interested in, losing belly fat. We're going to be doing a beginner-friendly workout that you can do right at home, no equipment needed. It's just 7 simple exercises that target your core and help you work towards that flat stomach you've been wanting. If you're ready to get started, grab some water, put on your workout clothes, and let's do this. All right, let's start by warming up those muscles. Warming up is crucial to prepare your body for the workout ahead. It helps to increase your heart rate gradually and gets your blood flowing to your muscles, reducing the risk of injury. We're going to do some light cardio to get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Light cardio exercises are a great way to start because they gently elevate your heart rate and get your body ready for more intense activity. Let's start with some jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and arms. They are perfect for getting your body moving and your heart pumping. Remember, it's all about getting that body moving. The goal here is to wake up your muscles and joints, preparing them for the workout. Keep your movements controlled and steady. We're not going all out just yet, just a nice, easy pace to wake up those muscles. It's important to start slow and gradually increase the intensity to avoid any strain or injury. Next, let's do some high knees. High knees are excellent for engaging your core and leg muscles. They also help to improve your balance and coordination. Bring those knees up high like you're running in place. Make sure to keep your back straight and engage your core for maximum benefit. Good. Now let's do some arm circles, forward and backward. Arm circles are great for loosening up your shoulders and increasing the range of motion in your arms. This will help loosen up your shoulders. Make sure to keep your movements smooth and controlled to avoid any strain. Okay, feel that warmth spreading through your body? That warmth is a sign that your muscles are getting ready for the workout. It's a good indication that your body is prepared for more intense activity. That means we're ready to move on to the workout. Now that your body is warmed up, you're less likely to get injured and more likely to perform better. Let's get started. First up, we're starting with a classic crunches. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, but don't pull on your neck. Now, engage your core and lift your shoulders off the ground, like you're trying to touch your knees with your elbows. Remember, it's not about how high you lift, but about that squeeze in your abs. Slowly lower back down and repeat. We're going to do 3 sets of 15 reps. You got this. Keep that core engaged. Next, we're moving on to the plank, a fantastic exercise for your entire core. The plank is a simple yet highly effective move that targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously. It's not just about your abs. It also works your shoulders, back, and even your glutes. Get into a push-up position with your forearms flat on the ground and your body in a straight line from head to heels. This position is crucial for maximizing the benefits of the exercise and preventing injury. Make sure your hips aren't sagging or sticking up. Keeping your hips aligned ensures that your core is fully engaged and that you're not putting unnecessary strain on your lower back. Imagine your body forming a strong, straight plank of wood. Visualizing this can help you maintain proper form and keep your body aligned. Hold this position for 30 seconds, breathing steadily throughout. Focus on your breath to help you stay calm and maintain the position. If you're feeling strong, you can try holding it for longer. Challenge yourself to see how long you can maintain the plank, but always listen to your body. Remember, it's okay if you need to modify by dropping your knees to the ground. Modifications are a great way to build strength gradually and ensure you're performing the exercise correctly. The most important thing is to maintain that straight line and engage your core. Consistency and proper form are key to getting the most out of your plank exercise. Now let's get those abs working with bicycle crunches. This exercise is fantastic for targeting your obliques and lower abs, giving you a comprehensive core workout. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. This is your starting position. Make sure your lower back is pressed into the floor to avoid any strain. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your right elbow towards your left knee, while simultaneously extending your right leg. This twisting motion engages your obliques and helps sculpt your waistline. Then switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while extending your left leg. Keep the movement controlled and deliberate to maximize the effectiveness. It's like pedaling a bicycle, but with your abs. This motion not only works your core, but also improves your coordination and balance. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement and remember to breathe. Inhale as you prepare and exhale as you twist and extend. Proper breathing helps maintain your rhythm and endurance. We're going to do 3 sets of 15 reps on each side. Take a short break between sets if you need to, but try to keep the rest period under 30 seconds to keep your heart rate up. You're doing great. Keep that energy up. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the stronger and more defined your abs will become. Keep pushing, and you'll see results in no time. Time for some leg raises. This exercise targets your lower abs. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended straight up towards the ceiling. Place your hands palms down under your glutes for support. Now, keeping your legs straight, slowly lower them towards the ground until you feel your lower back starting to lift off the mat. Hold for a second, then slowly raise your legs back up to the starting position. Remember to engage your core and avoid arching your back. We're aiming for 3 sets of 12 reps. You're doing amazing. Keep pushing. Get ready for some mountain climbers. This exercise will get your heart rate up while working your core. Start in a high plank position, with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line. Now, bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs as if you're running in place. Keep your core engaged and your back flat throughout the exercise. Try to maintain a steady pace and focus on your breathing. We're going to do this for 1 minute. You're almost there. Keep it up. Last but not least, we're finishing strong with Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight, and clasp your hands together in front of you. Now, twist your torso from side to side, bringing your hands towards the floor on each side. Remember to engage your core and breathe throughout the movement. We're going to do 3 sets of 15 reps on each side, and that's it. You did it. Great job, everyone! You crushed that workout. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Try to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week. And don't forget to pair your workouts with a healthy, balanced diet for optimal results. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. Until next time, stay fit and fabulous.